What's going on, guys? I'm Andrew with Camper Kingdom in Meridian, Mississippi, and today we're going to be viewing this brand new 2022 Coachmen Catalina Model 243 RBS. Rear bathroom with a slide, sleeping room possibly for 4 or 5, really depending on the size of your guest. And right now I've got all the slides closed in to show you what it looks like going down the road. And for all of my viewers that ask, will they have access to the bathroom or possibly the restroom to avoid letting that one slide out? Yes and no. You will have access to the refrigerator, but not the bathroom. But we're going to start on the inside of the coach, going over its different features before heading outside. So if you're new here, welcome to the channel. Hit that subscribe button down below, and let's get started. I just wanted to take a second to point out the multicolor awning lights found on the Legacy Edition. I just think it's really cool that you can select whatever color you like to personalize the outside of your model. Well, coming inside Model 243 RBS, one total slide with around 15 feet of space, ceiling height inside the coach of 81 inches, and sleeping room for about 4 or 5. Bathrooms in the back, bedrooms in the front, stainless steel appliances found all the way throughout. Thermofoil countertops, which is just a hard heated material. It's like a plastic material wrapped over a formica. Just prevents it from swelling if it makes contact with any water. Residential appliances with a high-rise faucet, plastic drop-in sink. And look at the oven. Greystone is the brand. You have 3 burners on the top. You have this glass extension maybe to extend some of your prepping range. And this looks like either some kind of timer or possibly a temperature gauge for your oven, which is something different. I haven't hooked up the propane to the model to verify that yet, but I would definitely let you guys know when I know more. Maybe about 14 inches across. Stainless steel hood vent with a stainless steel high point microwave. 12-volt refrigerator, so this works off the vehicle power as well as the built-in solar panel. 100-watt solar panel on the roof, sending over a trickle charge to the 40-amp charger. And this right now, there is a quick disconnect switch for the refrigerator right over here. So if you don't want to leave the refrigerator on to drain the battery, you can just totally cut that off, which is really great. Coming back to your pantry slash wardrobe, back here on the back of the coach, almost floor to ceiling, plenty of space for all of your goods. I'm gonna see if I can open these up. I do apologize, I should have been more prepared. Almost floor to ceiling pantry, and it looks like there's a 110 outlet inside of your pantry. Maybe you could put a coffee pot, some kind of smaller appliance in there. Let me know down below, what would you utilize that outlet for? Sleeping room for about 4 or 5, and you're gonna have a jackknife sofa here, plus the dinette booth. And I say 4 or 5 only because of this. The dinette booth, when laid flat, is in relation to about a twin size mattress, but this sofa is only gonna be room for a smaller toddler. Coming up to the bedroom area, queen size bed in the front. And you do have some additional storage found underneath the bed. Hanging style closets on both sides, pretty deep as well, with a mirror accent. There's a hanging rod, and both closets will mirror themselves on both sides. You have 110 outlets plus 12-volt chargers found there. Maybe 12 to 15 inches of space. You will have room to upgrade the mattress possibly to a queen size residential mattress because you have plenty of space on both sides. Maybe to gain a bigger mattress. TV connections found up here. Let's head back to the bathroom. Rear bathroom floor plan with a 34 by 34 full radius shower, 2-piece plastic insert with a skylight above. 81 inches of ceiling height, and you do have possibly a 12-inch step up to get into the shower. So about 71 inches of ceiling height. Medicine cabinet with a mirror with some additional shelving. They carried over that hard plastic countertop into the bathroom area with a plastic sink. We're gonna go ahead and see if we can't get this let out to all of its sleeping arrangements before heading outside. So I've gone ahead and laid flat the jackknife sofa as well as the dinette to show you how much sleeping room you'll possibly have. 6'2" on your dinette when laid all the way out, but only 5'2" with the jackknife sofa. That's why I say sleeping room possibly for 4, maybe 5. Date and time of making the video MSRP on this model right at $42,400. Coming at you 28 feet, 9 inches long with one slide. This is 2022 Coachmen Catalina Model 243 RBS. RB for rear bath and S stands for slide. Dry weight as this model sits of around 5,600 pounds. And speaking of weight, here in the ball of your truck, 574 pounds. I hear a lot of customers say all the time, well, my truck can pull 10, 12,000 pounds. Sure, got it. But how much can you put on the ball of your truck? Most half tons typically range from the 700 to sometimes upwards of 1,400 pounds. Just make sure you're within load and tow capacity of your truck before purchasing any camper in the market today. 15-foot electric awning. And here's another shot of those multicolor LED lights. I really like that. It's the simple things that I really like. Upgraded aluminum wheels. And this model has these solid step entry steps. These flip up and inside the entry door. 30 inches wide of the entry door, right at 6 feet tall. Here's a shot of some of your storage. Pass-through storage compartment. The floor is constructed of a 5/8 tongue groove plywood. You notice all the plywood under the bed there as well. All of your latches are magnets compared to some other competitors which have the plastic clips. They could have done a little bit better with the baggage doors though. Maybe make them a little bit thicker, right about a 1/2 inch thick on the baggage door. Fully enclosed underbelly, and this model has a built-in solar panel from the factory now for the 22 models. 100 solar panel on the roof, which sends over a trickle charge, and it's controlled from the 40 amp charger found in the other storage compartment. I'll show you that here shortly. 200-pound luggage rack, maybe for some additional luggage, maybe a grill, spare tire, and this once again does flip up and will be stored in place by these two locking pins. 4x4 tubular bumper on the back, which is great for storing all of your sewer lines once you're finished camping. This coach is also leveled from, or stabilized by 4 scissor jacks, one found on each corner. There's a shot of that leash link. Pet friendly coach, by the way. Blindside camera prep. That's what that black dot is way up there. Those can be provided for you here at Camper Kingdom if you decide to go that route. 30 amp connections. Power connections found on the back of the coach, and you've got about, you're looking at maybe a 25 to 30 foot power cord. Sewer connections, you're only going to have one. It's found back here on the back of the model with that rear bathroom. The pull handles are found right here with it, both with your gray and your black. Looks like you got a rack and pinion slide. There's a shot of the slide floor. Good sound quality test for you. 80% tint on all of your windows. And we upgraded the air conditioner. Normally comes standard with a 13.5 Coleman Mach. We went ahead and upgraded that to the 15K. But over here is your 40 amp charger found in the front storage compartment on this new 2022 model. Something different that's going into all the 22 models is the solar. I really like it. Even though it's only sending over a trickle charge at the moment, it's still great for if you happen to find yourself boondocking, you're in a situation where you don't have power and you just maybe need to let out a slide or keep the refrigerator cold for a little bit. Like, subscribe, leave me a comment down below. Come see us.